What's up, guys? It's Tim Trevathan with Tim Trevathan Homes, and I'm here at Graystone Village, new construction community built by Century Communities here in Grayson, Georgia. Stick around until the end because there is an awesome model home tour I want to give you, and there are some cool fun facts about this particular neighborhood that I really like. Check it out. What's up, you guys? It's Tim Trevathan with Tim Trevathan Homes, and like I mentioned before, this is Graystone Village, the new construction community located in Grayson, Georgia, built by Century Communities. They have 67 lots in total and about 22 remaining, so about a third remaining. And if you want to have a chance at one of these opportunities, basically you just have to sign a contract with an earnest money deposit of $15,000. There is a lender incentive as well, and it's a pretty good one. It's a 5% lender incentive, which is probably about the highest amount I've seen in a while. Usually I see about 3% or less. Now, what's awesome about this community, probably the best thing that I like, is that these homes are four-sided brick. That's right. Normally you'll see homes that are new construction, they have a brick front followed by cement siding or hardy plank siding on the left, right, and back sides of the home. But these homes have four-sided brick, and in this price range, it's gonna be hard to find this anywhere in Gwinnett County. And speaking of price, you can find the price of these homes that range anywhere from about $475,000 all the way to $575,000, depending on the floor plan. And the $475,000, just to give you an example, is lot 54, and this is a Madison A floor plan, and this is 2,586 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom house. And this will be ready in July, end of July, early August, as well as the rest of these homes on the list. If you go down, the one home that has a basement, that is the one that's priced the highest at $575,000. Again, this has 2,586 square feet. It looks to be the same, but that's because it's an unfinished basement, and it is not included in the square footage unless if it is finished. But it's nice to have a basement addition because it seems like these days more and more new communities are not providing basement home sites, or very few. So this is a good opportunity. And then again, you got four-sided brick. Did I mention that already? It's amazing. And also you can expect to be near a Kroger, a Publix, not far from Highway 316. So you got some good amenities as well, such as a pond and a walking trail around the pond. And the HOA cost is $650 a year. So that includes the maintenance of the pond as well as the common area entrance. Now, right down the street, literally about 3-minute drive, there's another community by Century Communities called Dove Lake. And that one actually has an actual lake with a walking trail. They just broke ground. I'll be covering that in a later video, but just want to throw that out there that you got a lot of opportunities. If not Graystone Village, also at Dove Lake. Another great thing about this community that I like is that there are no rent restrictions. So from an investment standpoint, you could possibly rent it out in the future. This community is zoned for Grayson High School, which is another plus because the school district is a bit better than some of the other neighboring communities in Lawrenceville, for example. So you're getting a better price point and better schools at the same time. And the area is growing, so it's only a matter of time that you'll see Grayson start to really fill out and flourish. Now in a minute, I'm gonna cover the model home inside. We're gonna take a look and get a tour of the home, and it is the Savannah model. So be sure to check it out. It's 5 bedrooms, 3-bathroom home, and it's got 2 bays, and it's approximately 2,514 square feet. So you get a really good idea of what it looks like. Also with Century Communities, similar to D.R. Horton, these homes are pre-selected in terms of the design options inside. So it allows for a quicker closing date of 3 months versus 5 or 6 months with other communities as the plus side, but on the downside, you don't get to choose what you want inside the home. But when you see this model home in a minute, you're gonna see what you can expect to find inside interiorly, and I think you'll be pleased. Now, if you've seen my other new construction videos, you know that I always talk about my part 1 and part 2 of the step-by-step process on how to buy a new construction home, because truly there is a lot that goes into buying a new construction home. It's more complicated, more complex than that of a resale transaction. So be sure to check those videos out. And I'm here representing clients on the buyer side, not just for resales, but also new construction. So if you need representation on the buyer side, I'd be more than happy to help you. The good news is you don't pay my commission. That is paid out by the builder's broker. So basically, it's to your gain, to your advantage to be able to be represented by an agent, and I would love to do so. Feel free to give me a call, text, email, however you want to get a hold of me. Stick around to the end for this model home tour, and I'll catch you later.